To integrate Afterpay with BigCommerce, start by setting up an Afterpay merchant account, which will provide you with the necessary API keys and other credentials needed for the integration. First, log into your BigCommerce store and navigate to the Apps section, where you can search for the Afterpay app and click the Get Started button to begin the installation process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Afterpay API keys, which can be found in your Afterpay merchant account dashboard. After entering the API keys, click the Connect button to authorize the integration. Once the integration is authorized, configure the Afterpay payment settings in your BigCommerce store. This includes setting the payment method name, selecting the countries where Afterpay will be available, and configuring any additional settings such as payment instructions or terms and conditions. After configuring the payment settings, you need to set up the payment gateway in BigCommerce. To do this, navigate to the Payment Gateways section and click the Set Up Payment Gateway button. Then select Afterpay as the payment gateway and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Finally, test the Afterpay integration by placing a test order in your BigCommerce store to ensure that the payment method is working correctly. You should see the Afterpay payment option at checkout and be able to complete a test payment successfully. It is essential to note that the integration process may vary depending on your specific BigCommerce plan and Afterpay configuration, so be sure to consult the BigCommerce and Afterpay documentation for any specific requirements or troubleshooting tips. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your BigCommerce store, providing your customers with a seamless and flexible payment option that can help increase sales and customer satisfaction.